Hello, little friends. Welcome back to our fun alphabet adventure. Today, we are going to learn about a unique letter. Can you guess what it is? That's right. It's the letter U. U is the 21st letter of the alphabet, and it starts some unbelievably useful words. Let's learn the interesting new words that starts with alphabet U. An umbrella is a useful object that helps keep you dry when it rains. It has a long handle and a big, round cover made of special fabric. When it rains, you open the umbrella by pushing a button or pulling a string, and the cover spreads out to protect you from the rain. The umbrella is like a portable roof that you can carry with you. Some umbrellas are colorful and have fun patterns, making them not only helpful but also exciting to use. When the rain stops, you can close the umbrella and keep it in your bag or by the door. An urchin is a small sea creature that looks like a spiky ball. It lives on the ocean floor and is covered in many sharp, long spikes that help protect it from other animals. Urchins come in different colors, like purple, green, and brown. They move very slowly by using their tiny tube feet that are hidden underneath their spikes. Urchins eat plants and small bits of food they find on the seafloor. They are very interesting to look at, but it's best to be careful and not touch their sharp spikes if you see one at the beach. An urial is a wild sheep that lives in the mountains of Asia. It has a big, strong body covered in brown or reddish fur. Urials have curved horns that can be very large and are used to protect themselves and their friends. They are good at climbing and jumping over rocky areas. Urials like to live in groups and eat grass and plants. They can be seen in places like the mountains of Pakistan and India. These animals are very special and help keep their mountain homes balanced by grazing on plants. Utensils are special tools we use for eating and cooking. In the kitchen, you'll find utensils like forks, spoons, and knives. A fork has 3 or 4 prongs to help pick up food. A spoon is used for scooping soup or cereal. A knife is for cutting things like vegetables or bread. There are also cooking utensils like spatulas and ladles. Spatulas help flip pancakes, and ladles are great for serving soup. All these utensils make eating and cooking easier and more fun. They come in different shapes and sizes to help us enjoy our meals. Underwear is a special kind of clothing we wear under our outer clothes. It helps keep us comfortable and clean. There are different types of underwear, like pants or shorts, for both boys and girls. It's soft and made from materials like cotton. We wear underwear every day, and it comes in many colors and patterns. It also helps protect our other clothes from sweat and dirt. Putting on underwear is one of the first things we do in the morning, and it's an important part of our daily routine. Underwear keeps us cozy and ready for the day. A USB is a small, handy tool that helps us connect computers and other devices. It looks like a little stick with a metal part on one end. You can use it to save and move information, like pictures, music, or videos. Just plug it into a special slot on your computer or tablet. It's easy to use. You simply insert it and can start transferring or saving your files. USBs come in different sizes and colors, and they are very useful for keeping important things safe and sharing them with others. It's like a tiny storage box for your digital stuff. A USB cable is a special cord that connects devices, like computers, tablets, and phones, so they can talk to each other. It has two ends. One end plugs into the device and the other into the computer or charger. This cable helps move data, like pictures or music, and also charges devices. It looks like a long, thin wire with small, rectangular plugs on each end. When you connect your device with a USB cable, it's like giving your device a pathway to share information or get power. It's a handy tool for making sure your devices work together smoothly. Udon noodles are thick, chewy noodles from Japan. They are made from wheat flour, water, and salt. Udon noodles are usually white and look like long, round strips. They are soft and fun to eat. You can enjoy them in hot soup, with tasty broth, or stir-fried with vegetables and meat. Udon noodles are often served with a little bit of soy sauce and green onions on top. They are great for lunch or dinner and are very filling. Try udon noodles if you want a delicious and different kind of noodle. Ugly fruit is a special fruit that looks like a big, lumpy orange. It's a mix of a tangerine, grapefruit, and orange. The skin is greenish yellow and wrinkled, which makes it look a bit rough. Inside, the fruit is juicy and sweet, with a taste similar to an orange but with a hint of grapefruit. It's easy to peel, and when you open it, you'll find bright, juicy segments. Ugly fruit is great for snacks or adding to fruit salads. It's fun to eat and has a yummy, citrusy flavor that kids will love. Ube is a purple yam that comes from the Philippines. It looks like a large, oval-shaped sweet potato with a bright purple skin and flesh. Ube is sweet and has a creamy texture, making it perfect for desserts. It is often used in ice cream, cakes, and pastries. When cooked, it turns a deep purple color and adds a unique, delicious taste to treats. Ube is not only tasty but also adds a fun, vibrant color to your food. Kids will enjoy the sweet flavor and colorful appearance of this special purple yam. Uvilla is a small, round fruit that comes from South America. It is also known as the nipple fruit because of its unique shape. Uvilla has a bright, yellow or orange skin and is about the size of a grape. Inside, it has a juicy, sweet taste, similar to a mix of pineapple and citrus. Uvillas grow on a vine and are often eaten fresh or used in desserts. They are not only tasty but also full of vitamins and nutrients. Kids will find Uvilla's shape and color interesting and enjoy its delicious flavor. An undershirt is a soft piece of clothing worn under other clothes. It is usually made of cotton and comes in various colors. Kids wear undershirts to keep their clothes clean and stay comfortable. They are often worn under a shirt or sweater. An undershirt helps keep you warm and can also be used to absorb sweat. It has no buttons or zippers, just a simple design that fits snugly on your body. You can wear an undershirt to school, play, or anywhere you go. It's like a cozy layer that makes you feel nice all day long. A uniform is a special outfit that people wear to show they are part of a group or a team. It helps everyone look the same and feel like they belong together. For example, kids might wear a school uniform with a shirt and pants or a dress with a logo. Uniforms are also worn by police officers, firefighters, and doctors to help people recognize them quickly. They are usually neat and tidy, making it easy for others to see who belongs to which team. Wearing a uniform can be fun and helps show pride in being part of a special group. Ugg boots are soft, warm shoes made from sheepskin or other warm materials. They have a fluffy lining inside that keeps your feet cozy and comfortable. Ugg boots are usually high up on the legs and cover the ankles. They come in many colors and styles but are most famous for their tan or brown color. People wear them in cold weather or when it's chilly outside because they keep your feet nice and warm. They are perfect for lounging around at home or for casual outings. Ugg boots are popular because they are both stylish and very comfy. A unicycle is a special kind of bike that only has one wheel. It's very different from a regular bicycle, which has two wheels. To ride a unicycle, you need to balance carefully because there's only one wheel to keep you steady. Unicycles are used in circus shows, by street performers, and even in sports. Riders have to practice a lot to learn how to balance and pedal smoothly. They come in different sizes and colors, and some even have special designs. Riding a unicycle can be a fun and exciting way to move around and show off your skills. A university is a big school where people go to learn after they finish high school. It's like a super school where you can study many different things, like science, art, and history. Universities have many buildings, like classrooms and libraries, where students learn from teachers and do research. Students can also join clubs and make new friends. Some universities have beautiful gardens and big halls. When students finish their studies, they get a special certificate called a diploma. Universities help people learn new skills and prepare for future jobs and adventures.